Well, we got some cleaning to do. All of this has to be taken down before we start any other project. And the crazy thing is, this isn't even all of it. Right, let's just set the camera up here. Yep, that looks good. Take a little break here from taking down the last coaster to tease to you and show you what I'm working on now for the next build. If we take a look on my desk, you can see that I've cleaned off a bunch of steel bearings again. Yes, I'm going back to steel temporarily, depending on how they perform, of course. My ceramic ones are still here. I have cleaned them out, but I haven't tested them yet. So they might perform well again now that I've cleaned them out. But I'm going to compare these two, fresh steel ones to old cleaned out ceramic ones. Obviously we have the old Colossus train here from the last build, but look at this. I'm off printing again. I had one failed print here, so to give you a little reference of how big the current or the new train is going to be for the new project compared to the Colossus one. So you might be able to tell that it is a little bit smaller. I think I've taken about 2 or 3 mil off of each measurement. Okay, so this is the normal Knex car. I mean, it's not, it's the 3D printed version, but it's the same shape and size. So let's give it a little test. Yep, there you go. It is the same size as the normal Knex car now. Almost exactly identical. But it's obviously just going to have a totally different design. It's going to look like an actual Mack hypercoaster train. So close to finishing taking this apart. I've literally just got the loop and to sort through this giant pile. And if we take a look up here, you can see the first part of the new build. Make sure you guys remember to have notifications turned on because you don't want to miss this year worth of Knex roller coaster builds.